Roderick Paulate, born April 4, 1960, is a Filipino actor, TV host, comedian, and former politician. Paulate had previously hosted TV shows like Vilma on 7, Tonight with Dick and Carmi, Magandang Tanghalibayan, and The Singing Bee. Paulate began his career as a child actor. He received his first Best Child Actor award from the Manila Film Festival for the movie Kasalan and Kaya in 1968. His first FAMAS award was for Angle Na Walang Langgit in 1970. Roderick's first foray in gay roles was in 1979 when he appeared in Mario J. de Los Reyes High School Circus 65. He became Rhoda Coburn's in the early evening sitcom Tepak Banat over BBC Channel 2 with Bibith Orteza, Isabel Rivas, and Tony Mabesa. A producer then gave him the lead role in Carrot, a movie inspired by Dustin Hoffman's gender-bending performance in Tootsie. His movie Inday Sa Balata was a huge success that in 1987 he made for gay movies in a span of 8 months. Jack and Poi, BB, Superman, Commander Gringa, and 1 + 1 = 12 + 1. Paulate continued to play gay roles in movies and television. Paulate influenced Vice Ganda, Alan Kay, and Paula Ballesteros. Paulate soon after tackled non-gay roles on both movies and television, displaying his versatility. His first known non-gay role during his peak years as a comedian was Last 2 Minutes, which he played a vertically challenged basketball coach with PBA legends Alvin Patrimonio, Jerry Codinera, and Paul Bong Alvarez, and Regal teen stars Zoran Legaspi, Jeffrey Santos, Aljon Jimenez, Carmina Villarol, Rafa Gutierrez, and Aito Melendez. He also played the role of Ding, a mentally challenged homeless mute, in 1980 in the first Philippine TV series Malayo Pai and Gumaga, about village life in the Philippines in the Second World War under Japanese Imperial Army occupation. Paulate's first fantasy drama role was Encanto, released in 1992 with the late hip-hop king Francis Magalona. He played a straight tree man who saves the environment from nasty illegal loggers. Dubbed as the Rick Astley of the Philippines, Paulate also ventured into singing, where he was influenced by his singing idol Rick Astley. He was in demand as a performer, host in various defunct variety shows, notably Tonight with Dick and Carmi, Vilma and Magandang Tanghalibayan. All in all, Paulate has received 6 Best Child Actor awards and 17 awards during his adult years, starting with Inday Sa Balata in 1986, co-starring Maricel Soriano, when he received the Best Supporting Actor trophy. In 1996, Paulate was named Best Actor in Drama at the Asian Television Awards, and then in 2000, for his role in the Malaala mo Kaya episode Wristwatch, and for his very difficult role in Malayo Pai and Giumaga, the very first successful TV series in the Philippines. Paulate is also inducted to the Philippines Eastwood City Walk of Fame in 2012 for contributing his acting, singing, hosting, and also being a comedian. Paulate was elected as councillor for Quezon City's 2nd District in 2010. Paulate was removed from office by the Office of the Ombudsman as councillor of Quezon City because of hiring ghost employees. He was barred from running for any public office. Despite barring him from running for public office, Paulate ran for his 3rd term as a councillor and was eventually elected. On December 12, 2016, however, the Court of Appeals overturned the ruling of the Office of the Ombudsman's dismissing Paulate together with 3 other officials of the Quezon City local government from the public service. Paulate unsuccessfully ran for vice mayor in 2019 as the running mate of former 2nd District Representative Chuck Mathay. He also sought a return to the city council in 2022 for the 2nd District under the Malayang QC ticket of Mike Defensor, but was also unsuccessful. On December 2, 2022, the Sandigan Bayan convicted him of 1 count of graft and 9 counts of falsification of public documents in connection with his hiring of ghost employees. He faces between 10 to 62 years in prison, a total fine of Philippine peso 90,000, and is permanently barred from holding public office. Paulate and his accomplice, his driver and liaison officer Vicente Bajamund, were also ordered to compensate the government with the amount of public funds they embezzled, amounting to Philippine peso 1.109 million with 6% interest per annum until full payment. He filed a motion for reconsideration, but it was denied by the court on January 23, 2023. Paulate is single. He has previously dated Jackie Aquino, a daughter of former Senator Butts Aquino. He completed his secondary education in 1984 at Jose Rizal College. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.